if I can't accept myself as I am completely, how can anyone else? Because if I can't accept myself, I'm going to have to keep you at some distance. Because if I'm truly naked and we're truly intimate, you will find all my flaws, my faults, my limitations. And I don't like them. And I'm sure you won't like them. So then we're in the theater of artificiality, of pretense. So this teaching is very, very profound. I open to how I am, and I see there are so many aspects to the manifesting of myself. And they come and they go. It is undeniable that when they come, they're here. But it's also undeniable that they vanish. I am irritable, but I am not intrinsically irritable. The irritability doesn't define me. And so if I give it a place, it can settle.
Se puede calmar.